Greetings, everyone. I am not in class today, but I wanted to stop and leave you this quick message to let you know what we are going to be doing in class today and what you will be responsible for. I want to send out hellos to everybody who's here, making sure that you are aware of what's going on in class. Of course, I always give you my greetings. And I'm looking on my agenda right now that's posted on Google Classroom. It says Agenda September 11th, 2020. Number 1 are my greetings. 2, slideshow starting on slide 16. You need to copy the criteria of a list poem into your journal. Slide 16 actually tells you about free verse poems, and you know exactly on the slideshow that I tell you exactly what to copy because it says copy. So be prepared for that. Number 3 is copy criteria of a list poem into your journal. Number 4, write your own list poem using the criteria in your journal and on a Google Doc that's posted in Google Classroom. So you need to upload the list poem that you write and be prepared to share using the Wheel of Names on Tuesday because I'm looking forward to hearing what you wrote. Number 5, complete the Common Lit assignment that is posted in Google Classroom. It is for a grade, so take your time. And this little story is about a young girl who is celebrating her hair. Her little beads, the sound it makes, it's a beautiful poem, and it's written kind of in correlation with this particular poem of 5 Reasons I Have Locks and Ode to My Hair, which Josh is learning to discover his sense of self. This little girl is doing the same thing in this article. So take a minute, read it, take your time. Again, it is for a grade. Now, when you are done copying what's on slide 16, copying the criteria for your list poem into your journal, writing your own list poem and uploading it into Google Classroom, and completing your Common Lit assignment that is posted in Google Classroom, which again is for a grade, you are free to go and start your weekend. So again, take the time that you have for class to do your classwork because we're noticing that what happens is when we give you classwork at the end of class that you are forgetting or say I'm going to do it later and then it's being submitted late. And you don't want to be in a position where you're only receiving 75% of your possible score for any of your work. So please be careful. Take your time, use your class time wisely, and just know I'm looking forward to hearing and reading your poems on Tuesday. You guys have a good weekend and stay safe.